Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Bet365 account on your computer online. And now to start right in. Now to log into your Bet365 account on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the web address bet365.com like this and hit on enter, or you can just simply search for Bet365 login page like this and on enter, and you can see the first result on the Google is the Bet365 itself. Click over there and you can see guys, this is the home page of the Bet365 from the Google search result, whereas on the first tab we are also on the home page of the Google search result, but this was from the direct web address we typed, whereas the second one is from the search result of the Google. Since both of these are same, let's close one of these. Now to log into your Bet365 account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen there is the login button available just beside the join button. But if you have not yet created an account or signed up for a Bet365 account, you can always get started on Bet365 if you click on the join button available over here. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to the registration process of the Bet365. With that being said guys, let's click on login. And you can see guys, after we clicked on login, a pop-up menu to sign into our account has opened, where we will be required to enter our username and your password like this, with which we have signed up for a Bet365 account. But if you're having some problems with your login on your Bet365 account, you can always click on the have trouble logging in button available over here to go through a procedure to solve your problem relating to your username or your password. Either you can reset it or retrieve your username or your password after going through this process. With that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on login and then you'll be signed into your Bet365 account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.